Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to use multi-window mode on the Samsung Galaxy Note 3. So one of the great features about the Note 3 is that you can have two things open on the screen at the same time. Now you'll notice a little pop-out menu just here, and this has got a list of applications that are compatible to be run at the same time on this device. So for example, I could click on Gmail and then I can drag this to the screen and that opens up. So that opens up one thing, but I might want to open up something else. So I could scroll through and I could open up Gallery. So press and hold and I drag that in. And I've now got two windows open. You can see I've got my Gmail application and my Gallery application. So I'm currently selected on Gallery. I can select back to Gmail. Now this works in portrait and landscape mode. You'll see that the icon here allows us to actually resize the window, so we can actually configure it to really our preference depending on what applications we're using. But you can do it roughly half and half. It's up to you. So I can then click into my galleries and go through content here as if I would in a normal full screen orientation. I can then tap on the icon to get a variety of different options. So I can click X to close it. I've got this where I can actually drag and drop content from a compatible application to this window. I can actually switch windows. So if I've got something else open at the same time, let's just show you that. It switches windows, so the actual orientation there. Then I've got this where it switches application. So you can see I've got my contacts application open as well, and it's now given me the option to go to that. So I could go to that and have contacts open, but I don't know, I may then decide no, I want my gallery back open. So I go back to switch application and I go back to my gallery and I open that up and I can continue using it. So you've got a whole host of different applications that actually work with it. So I can click on the menu again and I could decide I want Hangouts, so drop that there, and then Hangouts is now open. And then to come out of it I can simply press the home button, but you may not want that active at all. So if you don't want it active, scroll down from the notifications bar, click settings, and you've got multi-window within the settings here. Simply flick that off, so you've got the grey circle and that's switched off and the menu's disappeared. Switch it back on by moving the icon across and the little menu system will pop up again. And that's how you use multi-window on the Samsung Galaxy Note 3.